going to create a new animation now where I'm going to again draw a ball. I'm going to start at the top, and we're going to duplicate that onto 3 different places. So right click and put the keyframe at 60, right click and put one in at 120. The middle one down here, we're going to go and use the selection tool, double click on the ball and drag it down to the bottom. Make sure we put in a shape tween between both of them, and let's just play that to make sure that we've got that movement going in. So this time we're taking the ball at the top, we're going to drop it and let it bounce back up again. Now we need to put the ease in, so we're going to go again, click on the middle, go to the easing. Let's see if we get it the right way around the first time. If we don't, we just reverse it. Go, let's try it and see what happens. Yes, so we've got the ball bouncing the right way round. But what's happening here is normally that ball's not bad, but it would actually just slightly compress as it reaches the bottom. So we're going to do that to this animation now. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the middle option here. This time we're going to use the transform tool. So we click on the transform tool, and I'm just going to squodge it down just a little bit, compress it so that it actually looks a little bit more realistic. Again, we'll go back to selection tool, and if we now play this, as it gets to the bottom it does squish. Now if you want to be a little bit more accurate about this, you would probably say that just as it's about to hit the ground, that's when it would start to compress. So if you wanted to, you could around say 55 frames and 65 frames actually keep the ball absolutely spot on until it got to this point and then do the compression. I'll leave that one up to you, I'll let you have a go with that one, but this is your chance now to just use the transform tool to actually change the shape of that ball and see if you can make this look even more realistic.